Here is my contribution of the project, designing 4-bit adder cum subtractor using a reversible logic gates. So these are my inputs. Let me consider from here I am going to take input A of 0, and from here I am going to get the input B of 0. Initially this is the input, so Cin I am declaring. It will be 0 if I am talking with respect to adder, and it will be by default 1 if I am talking with respect to subtractor. Similarly here too, I am going to take with respect to A of 1 and here B of 1, and whatever the carry generated, that carry is being propagated to the next stage. Similarly here to the carry generated being propagated to the next stage, the carry generated here being propagated to the next stage. Similarly the third bit of A will be presented here, and the third bit of B will be presented here, and finally fourth bit of A will be presented here, which is your MSB, and B, fourth bit of B will be presented here as well. And whatever the sum of the difference, the sum of the difference will be the same. That I am going to get 0 here. I am assuming this to be sum of 0, this to be sum of 1, this to be sum of 2, and finally this to be sum of 3. Still, if a carry or borrow is generated at the last stage, it is then moved ahead. This represents my carry at the outer stage. So this is the 1-bit reversible adder cum subtractor. 1-bit reversible adder cum subtractor. This is 1 bit again reversible adder cum subtractor, and this too is 1-bit adder cum subtractor. Although I am going to generate a garbage value here, which will be of 4-bit. Here too, which will be again of 4-bit. Here too, again which will be of 4-bit. And finally this too, a 4-bit garbage value. Ignoring the garbage values, we will be bothering with respect to sum or difference of the circuit. So during the design, we need to declare the value of A and B, which will be of 4-bit. Later we are going to declare the value of Cin, which will be of single bit. Since we are bothering with respect to 4-bit sum, I will be declaring sum, which will be of 4-bit. A total of 16 garbage values we are going to generate, 4-bit at each side. So we are going to take a 16-bit of garbage value. We still need to have a control signal. Let me consider this is my control signal. Enable. This enable is then connected to each and every 1-bit reversible adder cum subtractor. This is the control signal, right? This is going to decide whether you need to perform an addition operation or a subtraction operation. If enable is equals to 0, it performs the addition operation. If enable is equals to 1, it performs the subtraction operation. Let's see its performance by running it on Xilinx platform.